In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily create a copy of your website using the duplicate or clone site feature in your website builder. This is especially handy if you're looking to revamp an existing site but want to experiment without affecting your live content. Plus, it allows you to make detailed changes or additions while keeping all your existing elements intact, which is great for preserving your original design and structure until you're ready to launch the new version. First, let's start by logging into your website builder account. Once you're in, navigate to your main dashboard where you manage all your sites. You should see a list of your current projects. From here, select the website that you want to duplicate. This will usually bring up a range of options to manage or modify the site. What you want to look for is the duplicate or clone site feature. This feature is incredibly useful as it allows you to create an exact copy of your current website's layout and design elements without manually recreating every aspect, saving you significant time and effort. Now, after you've found the duplicate option, go ahead and click it. The platform will typically prompt you to confirm that you indeed wish to duplicate the site. It's a precautionary step to ensure that you don't accidentally create multiple copies. So, once you've confirmed, your website builder will begin the duplication process. This might take a minute or two depending on the size and complexity of your original site. Once the site has been duplicated, you'll notice a new version appear, usually listed right next to your original one among your website projects. The next step is to rename the duplicated site to avoid any confusion going forward. Most website builders will allow you to do this directly in your dashboard. Look for an option to edit the site settings and change the name to something descriptive that indicates it's either a draft, a work in progress, or what specific changes you'll be making. With the site renamed, it's time to dive into editing your duplicated website. This is where you get to experiment and make the updates or changes you have in mind. Whether you're updating content, redesigning the layout, or adding new features, this is your space to do it without any risk. Remember, since this is a duplicate, all your original content remains safe and untouched on the original site. Feel free to test out different design ideas or new plugins that you've been thinking about incorporating. And once you're completely satisfied with the edits on your duplicate, you can publish it to replace your original or launch as a separate new site. So there you have it, a straightforward way to duplicate your website for testing and modifications. Using this technique ensures your original site's integrity while giving you the flexibility to make the necessary updates or entirely new designs at your own pace. Thanks for watching and happy building!